एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सोनल फ्रॉम यूएसए। जैसे यहाँ पर हमारे यहाँ समर चालू होता है, यहाँ पे रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी बहुत चालू होती है। जैसे कि हम लोग बाइकिंग के लिए जाते हैं एंड यहाँ पे वाटर बॉडीज़ बहुत है, तो कयाकिंग भी करते हैं। लेट्स गो टू एमी एंड सी व्हाट शी इज़ डूइंग विथ हर कयाक। बिफोर दैट ये देखिए कयाकिंग कैसे होता है। ये ऐसी जो फ्लैट सी बोट होती है उसको पेडल करते हैं लोग। सी का कयाकिंग अलग होता है और स्टील वाटर जैसे लेक या रिवर्स का अलग होता है। एंड लोग अपने आप अलग से जाते हैं और खुद का खुद करते हैं। मतलब दे रियली डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड। कहीं पे भी जाके लोग अपना कयाक निकालते हैं और कयाकिंग करते हैं। सो लेट्स सी हाउ द कयाक वर्क्स। चलो देखते हैं एमी क्या कर रही है अपने कयाक के साथ। पहले तो मुझे पता ही नहीं चला कि वो कयाक है, बट जस्ट बिकॉज शी सेड कि ये कयाक है मुझे पता चला। पर ये बहुत ही फेमस रिक्रिएशनल एक्टिविटी है। तो चलो चलते हैं एमी के यहाँ। So, ये देखिए ये कयाक ऐसे क्यों दिख रही है ये तो एमी ही बताएगी। लेट्स हियर इट फ्रॉम हर। टेल मी मोर अबाउट दिस कयाक। ओह नाइस कयाक एमी।
Thank you.
नाइस कलर, आई लाइक इट। What is the name?
The brand is called Pakayak.
Pakayak.
The model is Bluefin 14. And the color, I forget what this color is.
Like the sea green?
Yeah, they have they call them interesting names, like the orange is habanero and
Okay.
stuff. But so yeah, it's a 14-foot sea kayak, fully functional. It has airtight bulkheads on either end. So it's on the low size end for sea kayaks, but it is a sea kayak.
So it's for two people or one?
This is just one person.
One person.
Yep. And let's see. I don't have.
So this fits into the trunk, a regular car trunk, or it would fit into like SUV?
It fits into. So it fits into your car trunk. Yeah, it actually fit. You saw my mom's old car, the Buick.
Mm-hmm.
Fit into the back seat.
Okay.
That bag right there is the bag that it comes in,
Okay.
and it goes together. So if you see here, see these locks,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
right? And these gaskets, and then this is fitted here, right? It puts pressure. This is a system that's they use in aerospace.
So basically you just kind of fit it in, that's it?
Yeah, you just fit it in and then you clip the locks. The locks have a safety. See that? The locks have a safety mechanism, so once they're yeah, oh sorry, I was trying to make it so you could see it. Once this right here has to be pressed down or they won't unlock.
Oh,
so
okay.
it's safe in surf. It won't come apart. And it's really easy.
Very lock because I will be scared.
Yeah.
Okay, so it gets locked and then.
Yep, so now it's locked and you could try and pull these locks, these levers, all you want, and they will never come undone unless you press this down first.
Okay, okay, I got it. So it's kind of very secured. Same thing even for this.
Yep. So it's this one only has 3.
Okay.
That one only has 3.
Okay.
These end bulkheads ones have 3.
Okay.
These bulkheads have 4, and then the center has 6.
Wow.
Each clip can hold up to 300 pounds. So that's 600 pounds of pressure here. 1,200 here. And sorry, let me just.
So kayak is getting ready. So when it is fully assembled, how long it is?
14 feet.
14 feet?
Yes, because
Wow.
it's a sea kayak, so it has to be able to do what a sea kayak does.
And what does sea kayak does?
They are stable and safe on the
Okay.
ocean,
Okay.
so that you can pack. And these bulkheads are airtight,
Okay.
so that if you capsize, you don't sink.
Also, you
it
mean
stays
so if
afloat.
you topple,
Yeah,
you would still kind of
it would stay afloat because these are airtight. They'll hold air in them.
Okay.
So it acts like a flotation device. It's a safety measure.
can't believe that this is 14 feet. I was like, this is such a tiny piece. Now I can see when it's getting assembled, it's like getting taller and taller and longer. Yeah, I mean, this is easily more than my height. See here, this is like more than my height, so definitely like 5.5 or something, and that would be probably like 7 feet or maybe more, 8 feet, that portion. This is the part of half kayak now, Pakayak. I like the name, Pakayak. Wow, that's so long. Yeah, I mean, it would be very difficult, right, if it was not packable, to carry it on the car, on top of the car.
Well, I mean, that's what a standard kayak does. You carry it on top of the car.
But even standard kayaks are like so long.
Oh, longer. This is short for a sea kayak. Sea kayaks are usually longer than this. They're usually 15 to 16 feet. You can get 17 footers. The longer they are, the faster and often more stable they are in ocean water.
So it doesn't take much time. It's like maybe what, like 10-15 minutes to assemble the whole thing.
Yeah, but it's
So this is kayak. इसको बोलते हैं kayak. पानी में float करके लेके जाते हैं. Wow, so it's all ready.
if you want.
And this is like 14
This
feet.
is the case, right?
Mhm.
And if you ever wanted to, the case actually fits.
Oh, so you can actually carry it with you when you are
The
kind
case
of in the
fits
water.
in the kayak,
Wow,
in the back here.
wow,
You put the seat here,
that's really cool, huh?
and it acts as kind of a back plate.
Oh, so you can actually sit here and like acts like a backrest.
I usually keep it.
That's really cool, huh?
I usually
really get scared to do kayaking.
I usually keep it in the car though, because it is not really the most comfortable thing. But and there's the seat.
So you don't get scared when you put your feet inside and sit here.
Oh no, this is a comfortable boat actually.
No, it's comfortable, but I just feel that sometimes, you know, you just feel like,
There are footrests that are in it, and ideally,
wow, seat also kind of get tucked, huh? Everything is like
Yeah.
locked.
everything clips. You don't want to.
And do you have like a seat belt or something when you sit inside?
No.
You have to remove shoes and
No, you don't want a seatbelt. If you were ever to fall
go? Do you
over,
have to remove shoes and go?
no, you can leave your shoes on. There are footrests in here, but I don't. We would have to adjust them for your height, and so we'll just leave that alone for now.
I've never gone
go
into kayak. This is first time I'm getting into kayak. Oh my god. Oh wow, this is so nice and comfy, huh?
Yeah.
So I'm sitting here, see my feet here.
And so you would take the footrests and say put it there, and then you would put your foot there. So the
Oh, so
idea
you have to
is
sit
that
like
your
this.
thigh is against the side.
Oh, like this?
You want your knee up against the bulkhead here,
Okay.
because that's how you're going to steer.
So
You're going to use your hips to turn the boat.
Oh, like this. But you
Paddle as well.
oh, and then you have to move your hip here and then just turn the
Yeah,
kayak,
because
huh?
you lean the kayak into the turn.
So there is no other way you can move this kayak.
Well, I mean, you paddle, and there
Paddle.
are ways that you can use
Then
the
you can
paddle
steer,
to
right?
turn.
Yeah, that's
But
what I was
you
figuring
also,
out.
if you really know what you're doing, you also lean into turns, just like with a bike, right? You can
But
use
you know, the fact that you have to
handlebars.
sit like this kind of makes me scared, you know, sitting like this, and then you know, if you're falling also, you can't like get out of water and jump into the
Oh,
water.
absolutely, you can.
How?
When you fall out, when you fall
Like
over.
I have seen, right? Sometimes it topples and then people are stuck inside or something.
Oh no, you shouldn't ever be stuck inside.
No, there's no belt, nothing. You
No.
just sit like this.
Yes, because the idea is that when it does fall over, if it falls over, you can just slide right out. You just slide right out and swim away, and then you come back up to your kayak.
I will be already scared to even get out.
Now, if
So-
you have something like this,
ऐसे बैठते हैं इसमें और पैडलिंग करते हैं, and with your hips actually you move the direction of the kayak. and I feel it's very scary. मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, पर एमी ने किया है. So Amy is going to wear this. This is
Now, if
life
you have
jacket.
something like this.
Life
this
jacket.
will no.
Then
This is a spray skirt.
what is it?
It's called a spray skirt.
So what does it do?
Get out and I'll show you.
Wait. Oh my god. This is difficult. How do I get out now? Oh my god.
That's hard.
Stuck.
Yeah, that's the hard part, getting out.
I'm stuck. You have taken classes for this, right? Kayaking?
I've taken some very basic classes, and I'm taking more classes this year. And the classes I'm taking this year are in ocean kayaking.
Okay.
So
Ocean. Oh.
yeah.
So you're
Open-
kind of graduating from river to ocean.
Yep.
That will be
Up until
scary,
now,
right?
I've been doing rivers and lakes and some estuaries. And not today. But this year I'm doing ocean.
Really to protect you from water, is it?
Yep.
Okay, I got it.
It fastens around the lip
Oh, okay.
of this
okay, okay.
cockpit like so.
And it would be like very difficult to get out with the skirt, right?
Yes.
So normally do people put the skirt? I have not seen that.
People do, because when you go on long trips and you're, in the sun, this protects your legs from the sun. This also protects you from water if it's cold and wet. But there's zippers.
What is it? Purse.
So these are like little pockets, so you can put stuff in. And there's a zipper here. This is a watertight zipper, but
Wow.
if you wanted to get something in your boat, like you wanted to go in and get something that was in here.
Oh, okay. Like open the zip and then just
Yeah.
take it out, huh?
Yep. So this is actually very lightweight. This is just vinyl. They make these out of neoprene, which is what wetsuits are made out of.
Yeah.
Those are very heavy duty.
Wow.
So this is like if I'm in the ocean and it's windy and a lot of surf and a lot of waves, they would come up over the deck because the water line comes to about here, right? So the waves will come over the deck, they get you wet. If you
Right.
don't want to get wet, you have
Then
a spray
this have to
skirt,
wear.
so it keeps you dry.
And that's why I've seen people normally wear like swimsuit and go, like when they go for kayaking. So that is
That's
the reason.
usually me. If I go on a lake or a river, I'm in a swimsuit because I want the
Oh.
sun.
No, but
right?
that's like-
But
that's
if I go on a serious paddle, I have my life vest on. I have like proper shirt and stuff like
Right,
that. I'm not.
right.
And
But you have to wear life jacket. That's
and
like
some
that.
yes, you really should be wearing.
And
a
what
life
is
jacket.
these holes for? These holes?
So those are the bulkheads. So if I fell over and I fell into the water, I'd have to do this.
Right.
That's how I get out.
Okay.
And then I can get out of the boat.
But how about these holes? How would they help?
So they have covers.
Wow, you can get out of it. I couldn't.
Practice. Lots of practice.
So this is the seat for the Pakayak. Name is very fancy.
These have covers, and the covers are they have lips on them that keeps them watertight.
Is
To
it?
bring gear too, so you can go camping
Okay.
or on day-long trips, and you put food in there, drink.
Okay. So this is a storage space. So you can keep some stuff like food, water or something here, and then just close this lid. So you can actually store it. Going from one end to another end, actually you can store the food here. You can sit here with this skirt on and keep some stuff
Very
here.
interested to see. This is supposed to fit in my bulkhead. I don't know if it will.
Wow, what is that?
This is a trolley, so it's
Trolley to
carrying
carry
it.
this,
Yes,
yeah.
exactly. To take it from your car
To car to the
to the
water.
without, because this is heavy. It's 50 pounds.
Wow. So this is oval shape, right? Yeah, it should. Yeah, it is. Wow. Okay. That's cool. So that's a trolley to carry this kayak. And this fits into this pocket. And these are the wheels. Wow. I can't believe this that a kayak is so compact and has so many things. Huh? Thank you, Amy. Thank you for showing your Pakayak. This was something new for me also. I've been here for a long time in US, but पहली बार देख रही हूँ मैं kayak कितना डिटेल से कि इतना स्टोरेज होता है उसके अंदर और इतना कॉम्पैक्ट भी kayak होता है, ये पहली बार देखा मैंने. Because I have seen people carrying this kayak like on the top of the car, but it's the first time I'm seeing कि kayak can be dismantled and then assembled near the water.
This is a new thing.
Oh, thank you.
This is a new and rare thing.
Yeah?
Like this is the only company that does this.
Wow.
The thing is that not everybody has a car that they can put a kayak on top of.
Right.
And I didn't for a long time.
Correct. So this makes
So
sense.
this was the next best thing so that I could do the kind of kayaking I wanted.
But I think this is much better, right? Because this is, like you said, is how much? 50 pounds.
Well, those kayaks are often about
Little.
either this weight or lighter. So
Lighter,
the
okay.
really high-end ones
So you
are
can
lighter.
easily like take it on the car, because putting it on the top of the car is also like a lot of work, right?
It can be, but there are systems to help you do that. I got it on sale
Okay.
because they do sales throughout
Throughout the year, right?
varying
So you
times.
get it like a little bit discounted price.
Um,
Wow. Awesome.
But yeah, I'm getting it ready for the season. And oh yeah, I shouldn't have done that. I'm gonna
Okay.
be replacing
Now you
this.
let me help you to remove all the
Actually, I
problem.
need to replace my part of what I was doing is I'm replacing my cords.
Oh, okay.
So I have my knife and my cable out. So my instructor is all like, these cables are not good.
Oh, okay.
They're too thin. They're hard to hold on to because they're so thin. So I have to untie them, which is
Thank you, Amy. Thank you for the wonderful kayak video. A lot of things that I learned new, and I'm sure people who are watching would also know a
well,
lot
we'll
of things
take you
about the kayaking.
kayaking and you can bring your GoPro and we can video that.
Absolutely. Alright guys. I hope आपको ये पकायक का वीडियो अच्छा लगा. अगर अच्छा लगा तो ज़रूर लाइक करिए और कमेंट करिए कैसे लगा आपको पकायक का वीडियो. और नेक्स्ट टाइम हम लोग मिलेंगे सीधा लेक के ऊपर कयाकिंग के लिए. तो आप भी मेरे साथ ज्वाइन करिए और देखते रहिए मेरा चैनल सोनल फ्रॉम यूएसए. और अगर पहली बार आए हैं, सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करिए और लाइक और दबाइए ताकि आपको मेरे न्यू वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन मिले. बाय बाय, स्टे सेफ.